Where are we going?
Bonfire.
What?
Bonfire.
Alright, cool. What are you up to?
Getting a haircut.
Oh, really? And who's the hairdresser?
Mr. Johannes Ishka.
Wow, look at Andrew.
No, it's strange.
So you're a hairdresser, Johannes?
I was.
Really?
Yeah, and a cowboy.
Yeah, I believe you.
I was cowboy hairdresser.
Are you going to the bonfire?
Yes, I am.
Yeah. Tonight it's a bonfire night. They say, remember the 5th of November, but don't tell anyone, but actually it's the 6th of November today. But we'll see if we can find a bonfire anyway. I can see some people. What we do? To a bonfire. Really? Wow. And you've got a new camera, are you happy?
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Whoa. We're now at the flight club. Maybe we can make some friends. Hi, what have you got?
I think it's kind of bonfire.
What is it called in English? That
Sparkler.
sparkler? Okay, cool.
Who are you?
I don't know.
Oh, this one's gonna be pretty.
I'm watching you instead because you're pretty too. Oh, you're prettier.
You're so
Wow. Hi. Good.
You're welcome. Yeah.
Yeah, keep moving.
Tonight is bonfire night. And
Yeah?
we celebrate this because a long time ago, a man named Guy Fawkes tried to blow up the Houses of Parliament. However, he was caught and was burned on a bonfire.
So remember the.
5th of November.
Have you ever celebrated bonfire night before?
No, not because I'm German. From Germany, we're celebrating other stuff, but not bonfire night.
Okay, so how is this? Is it
Nice,
fun?
cold, but nice. But here it's warm. Yeah, but it's nice.
Okay, good. Awesome.
I think everyone's exciting.
Today.
I live near Grimsby. People live
So are you enjoying bonfire night?
It's awesome.
Yeah?
Yeah. Hi, Greta.
Good.
That's pretty good.
Oh no, that's.
Yes. Okay.
Remember
the 5th of November. Gunpowder, treason, and plot. I see no reason why gunpowder treason should ever be forgotten.
Oh, okay. And Lydia has a birthday tomorrow. Woo! Congratulations already.
Thank you.
Woo! Yeah, I did it once and we had toffee apples. Oh, usually.
I don't really like them.
You might get too close.
But they exist. Yeah.
Okay.
But I'm not sure if they're for Halloween or if they're for thingy.
Well, we had them for 5th of November, bonfire night,
Okay.
Guy Fawkes.
In Norway.
No, here, when I was, a little kid. And yeah, I wanted to have the apple, but then I had to get through the toffee to eat the apple. That was hard work.
You're like the opposite to most kids who just want the toffee and can't be bothered with the apple.
This is so cool. We are in the flying club. Woo!
How would you get your plane? Oh, that looks so cool.
Oh yeah, that is cool. And this is his plane. And this one is really cool. Whoa. Look, this one is cool. Wow, it's a nice plane.
What we do is we put him in the light a little bit. I'll push him back. Just give me a second.
Yeah, I know. Entering this plane.
Well, I guess it's different to eating and watching the TV.
So, do you think I could be a good pilot?
I would doubt it.
Because you can tell from this look.
Whoa, this is so cool. I'll go for it.
Great.
Okay.
Look at me.